Okay, you asked to me about rotating in Inkscape, and what you say earlier is cropping in Inkscape. Just you need to know that rotating in Inkscape, there are three ways to rotate object or objects. First is by the mouse, using the mouse. Secondly, using the keyboard. Third, using the transformation panel. Okay, I prefer this one, but you need to know all of it, so you can practice with any way. First, using mouse. Just look at. First, you need to choose the object. Okay, and click 2 times, but not repeatedly 2 times. In you give the space between, just like this. Click, click. And then there is a curvy thingy with an arrowhead in it, and you can click and drag and rotate. Okay, you can combine with holding control to make sure there is a constraint, the increment of rotation. There go 15 degrees maybe, like this, by holding control. You can do this, or you can do this. Remember, I repeat the step. Make sure you choose the object and click one more time, or you choose click and click, click and click until the curvy thingy on the top right side of the object appears. Click and click, and then you can rotate it, or combining with holding control, and you can do 50 degrees rotation, 50 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60, 75, 90 degrees, etc. Okay, this one is done. And then using keyboard. Now, I suggest you to learn this, as using keyboard is more faster, way faster than using click and holding mouse. Why? Because Inkscape is keyboard heavy. You must learn, you must remember, you must practice with keyboard. How we rotate with Inkscape with using keyboard? Just like we use the mouse, we need to choose and then hit the the bracket, left bracket and right bracket. You can see on the left side on your screen here what I hit in my computer. Let's see. Okay, again, so you can see. Okay, you can see the green arrow here. See, you can see what I hit, the bracket. This one is just like rotating the object using mouse, but with holding control. The same thing. The same thing as, okay. You can also hold it, hold the bracket, the bracket button, so you can rotate as much as you can, like this. As you can see on the bottom right, bottom left of your screen, there is a lot of bracket symbol. You can see it, bracket symbol. That is a rotation. That is done. Okay, next. Using transformation panel, what you need to do is hitting Control Shift M. Okay, I'm writing it here. Control Shift M, so you can remember it. In this transformation panel, there is 5 things, but you need to know is this one, the rotation, move, scale, rotate, skew, metric, this one. And you can insert typing any amount of rotation that you need in degrees. In degrees, it means not more than 360. Okay, let's try 90 degrees. Apply. Undo. Let's try 150. Okay, let's try 270. Okay, let's try 5 degrees. 5 degrees, 5 degrees, 5 degrees. Or you can make it as a negative number. Let's try negative 5. 5, 5, negative, negative 5, negative 5, negative 5. Okay. That is rotating Inkscape. So you know there is three ways to rotate the objects in Inkscape: using the mouse, using the keyboard, using the transformation panel. Using the mouse, you need to click, and then hold and drag the curvy symbol thingy on the top right or on the bottom right, or etc. Using keyboard, you need to hit the bracket button on your keyboard. Okay, and using the transformation panel, you can hit Ctrl Shift M and choose the rotate tab. Okay, I think it's clear. Cropping in Inkscape. Cropping actually means you do this one. You do the difference. What I say earlier is not difference, but we agree to use the term minusing. Why? Because we do the minus between the object. Let's say we have a rectangle here and we have a yellow circle here. We do choose both of the objects and then hit Ctrl Shift minus. As you can see on the left bottom side of your screen, you see And you can you don't limit the ability on this slash like this. You need to make a rectangle, for example. So you do this one. The rectangle, long rectangle, and the blue rectangle on the bottom of the red. And then you choose both of them and hit Ctrl Shift minus. Or you make a letter U. As you can see, there is a yellow rounded rectangle, and you have red rounded rectangle on the bottom of it. As you can see, there is two objects, two different objects, and you can hit it by using Ctrl Shift minus, and you can hit it again, Ctrl C, with Ctrl C minus. Think of it just like let's say cookie dough, cookie dough, cookie, no? That you cut with the dough cutter. What I mean is like this. Let's see, cookie cutter. So what I mean by cookie dough is the very bottom object is always can be cutted or cropped by the top object. This one is the top cutter, and this one is the cookie dough. And if you need to make a different cookie shape, you just hit it by the top cutter. It's like this, like this, like this. If you want to make a house, for example, you can hit it the cookie dough, the cookie cutter. You can hit it like this. You make a rectangle. You need a hole for the gate, for the door. You can hit it by cookie cutter, cookie dough. Hit it. You can do the plus here, Ctrl Shift plus. You can do Ctrl Shift plus again. You can do the windows, Ctrl Shift plus here. You can hit it by the cookie cutter, the cookie dough. Hit it. As you can see, there is a hole. After you cut it, after you crop it. Okay, I think what I explained is clear. Hope you understand. Thank you.